Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can access your editing history in your designs, logos, images and projects on Canva in 2026. For example, if you'd like to restore a previous version of your design or project. So let us show you how it works in 2026. Alright, so guys, navigate to your design on Canva. You may open it here in the Canva editor. And from here you will need to click into File in the top left. There you will see this option here, Version History. So guys, what you want to do is click into it. However, as you can see, that feature is not accessible for all account types. I can access it with my account type. So what you want to do is click into Version History, and then you will be redirected to that history here to the right of your design versions, with timestamps, for example. So you can click into one of these. For example, let me go with this one here, 5 minutes ago, and then you will see the version that was prior to that added here 5 minutes ago, so that you can click into restore in the top right or save it as a copy, and that way restore your design. So let me do that. Click into restore, and as you can see, the previous version has been successfully restored. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.